Hi, buddy.
Brooder. And so you've got two doors, one here that makes it easier to get in to feed and to set water. Door here. We have two hot plates. And we've done a hole here so we can have the plugins to go through. And we've done mesh along with being able to capture it down at the bottom as it goes through, and a pull-out door so it can be dumped.
Tray slides out, right?
Tray does slide
Catches
out.
all the nasty stuff.
We do have this here. Pulls open so it can be cleaned out, and if I need to reach in and get any of the birds or just easier access, I can do that with them. I can see them and it's all mesh, easier to everything is on wheels, so it is easy to move. It does fit through the doorway when the door is off, and it's been working out really well. They've been really happy with it. I've been really happy with it. I've had ducks in here and chickens. I've also had a mama duck in here, and she was able to imprint on baby ducks in here. And then I had released her with her baby ducks, and now they are into the big coop. And so they are now a flock. And I don't know.
What is this thing?
This is a
It's like a parrot.
It's a Favril. So it will get big puffy cheeks. I don't know if you can see it right now. I get big puffy cheeks right here. And then kind of feathers down here, and they just get real big and poopy. They're supposed to be real docile. Some of them can be like...
That one looks like it didn't catch the message that he's supposed to be.
Sometimes they're a little like,
He's a wild
I don't
one.
want to be messed with. This is my runner duck I hatched. you look like your daddy. Yes, you do. Yeah, you look like your daddy.
Look at this little guy.
That one is a Bantam, and that one is
yeah. There's also a little.
it is a
Also a little
silver Bantam.
Right there.
Yeah,
He's so tiny.
So these ones are the same one. These are Diocles.
Diocles?
Diocles.
Oh, I thought you said vehicles.
Diocles? They got little peg legs like pirates or something. They're tiny little short stubby legs.
They'll get feathers on their feet. They'll go all the way down.
You're a big fan of chickens with feathers on their feet, aren't you?
And on their heads.
The more feathers, the
This
better.
one's so huge. This turkey. Oh my gosh.
What's up, little girl? I hope you're a hen.
It just looks like a hen.
She does.
No,
They're turkeys.
these are turkeys. This is the peacock.
You have one?
Peacock has like bigger eyes.
Yeah, its eyes are like circle.
You better
like,
live, 'cause
Those
I'm
ones are
Turkey,
like
turkey,
oval.
turkey, turkey,
Farrells
turkey.
have extra toes.
That's crazy. That looks weird as heck. Five-toed chicken.
We need to get an ostrich.
Well, if we find an egg, we'll get an
I know.
ostrich.
I'm gonna name it Tony.
Oh, there she's starting to get her feathers on her side.